Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ibis Paint X digital painting and drawing app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ibis Paint X is a digital art and illustration app available on mobile devices, iOS and Android, designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals. The app offers a full suite of drawing tools including layers, brushes, custom brush settings, blending and opacity controls, rulers, selection tools, and a variety of special effects. It supports high-resolution canvases, pressure-sensitive stylus input, frame-by-frame animation tools, and a robust community feature where users can watch painting processes, share their art, and collaborate. The app's main feature is its versatility. Whether you're sketching a simple doodle, illustrating a full-color manga page, or creating digital paintings, Ibis Paint X provides the tools required. Its layer support and brush customization make it comparable to professional desktop drawing software, while its mobile-first interface ensures convenience for on-the-go creation. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its user-friendly layout, extensive brush and layer options, and the fact that it supports both freehand drawing and stylus input with pressure sensitivity. The community features and time-lapse video generation for each artwork are especially popular among budding digital artists. Performance is generally smooth even on mid-range smartphones, and the availability of both free and premium features makes it accessible to a wide audience. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced brush and canvas features require a premium subscription, which may not suit casual users. The free version includes ads and watermarks on exported images unless you subscribe. For very high-resolution or complex projects, performance may lag on older or less powerful devices. In summary, the Ibis Paint X app may be worth using if you want a powerful, mobile-friendly digital art platform with professional-grade tools and community features. However, if you prefer desktop-level performance or want all features unlocked without subscription, you might find limitations depending on your device or budget. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.